You bought a Toyota because of the 200,000-mile promise. But did you know that according to industry service data, a Toyota owner who follows only the dealer's advice spends an average of $3,200 more over 10 years on unnecessary services than an owner who follows the engineering manual? Dealers are masters of the upsell. And today, we are breaking down 11 things they keep hidden to protect their margins. We are not just talking about oil. We are talking about subscription fees and goodwill funds that the service manager is literally told not to mention. Let's dive in. Number 11. The recurring cost of key fob rent. The convenience of starting your car from your key fob is now tied to a digital subscription model that dealers gloss over during the sales process. On vehicles equipped with audio multimedia systems, the physical button on your key fob for remote start is often tethered to the Remote Connect subscription. After the initial trial period, which ranges from 1 to 10 years depending on the model, that button may stop functioning unless you pay approximately $80 to $150 annually. Dealers don't want to highlight that you are essentially renting the hardware you already paid for in the purchase price. This transition to software as a service is a major revenue driver for Toyota, with the company aiming for billions in recurring revenue by 2030, largely through these hidden post-purchase fees. Number 10. The 10,000-mile oil change marketing strategy. One of the most widely promoted claims you will hear is that modern Toyota vehicles only need an oil change every 10,000 miles. It sounds convenient, cost-saving, and advanced, but here is the truth that dealers rarely explain. That 10,000-mile interval is based on ideal driving conditions, which, according to automotive data, apply to less than 20% of drivers. The majority of people fall under what's called severe driving conditions, such as short trips, heavy traffic, hot climates, and dusty environments, all of which are extremely common in US. Under these conditions, oil can degrade much faster, sometimes requiring changes as early as 5,000 miles or even less. Studies have shown that extended oil intervals can increase engine wear rates by up to 25% over time if the driving environment is not ideal. Dealers promote the 10,000-mile interval because it lowers the perceived maintenance cost of the vehicle at the time of sale. Number 9. White paint delamination. If you own a Toyota in Blizzard Pearl or Super White, you are driving a vehicle with a known manufacturing defect where the paint can peel off in large sheets. Toyota issued a Primary Coverage Program, ZLZ, that covers repainting for specific models like the 2008 to 2017 Camry and RAV4. Dealers will not proactively scan their databases to call you for this. They wait for the customer to notice the damage and complain. The cost of a professional repaint can exceed $3,000, and if you miss the window of the support program, you are left with a vehicle that has significantly diminished resale value. If you see even a tiny flake of white paint missing near the windshield or roof, you must demand a TSB inspection immediately. Number 8. Certified pre-owned doesn't mean perfect condition. The term certified pre-owned sounds like you are getting a nearly flawless car, but the reality is more complicated. While Toyota's certification process does include inspections, but it doesn't guarantee a perfect or untouched vehicle. Industry reports reveal that many CPO cars have had prior repairs, cosmetic fixes, or even rental history before being certified. The inspection process ensures the car meets minimum quality standards, not that it's free from wear or past issues. Some vehicles may have undergone repainting, part replacements, or high mileage usage in a short time. Dealers often focus on the certified label without diving into the full history unless you specifically ask. That's why experts always recommend requesting detailed inspection reports and third-party vehicle history checks before trusting the CPO badge completely. Number 7. Subscription services. One thing many Toyota buyers don't realize until after purchase is that some features inside their vehicle may eventually require subscription payments to keep working. Dealers usually focus on the convenience and technology during the test drive, but they rarely explain the long-term costs attached to connected services. Features like remote start through the app, Navigation services, Wi-Fi connectivity, safety tracking, and emergency assistance may only work free for a limited trial period. After that, monthly or yearly fees can begin stacking up surprisingly fast. Some owners have reported losing app-based remote access features entirely after the free subscription expired. The automotive industry has been aggressively moving toward recurring revenue models because subscriptions generate billions in predictable income every year. Some drivers are shocked to discover that features built into the car physically may still require software activation fees later. The worst part is that many buyers never factor these future subscription costs into their ownership budget during the excitement of buying the vehicle. Number 6. The hidden telematics and data resale. Your Toyota is more than a car. It is a data collection hub that tracks your driving habits in real time. Through the Insight Connect and Service Connect platforms, Toyota collects data on hard braking, rapid acceleration, and average speed. Dealers often encourage you to link the app for convenience, but they rarely explain that this data can be shared with data brokers who, in turn, provide it to insurance companies. Studies have shown that telematics-based insurance can lead to rate increases for drivers who simply live in high-traffic areas, even if they are not at fault. You have the legal right to opt out of data sharing in the privacy section of the Toyota app, but doing so is never part of the dealer's delivery walkthrough. Number 5. Warranty rights. Another major thing Toyota dealers rarely explain clearly is that you don't always need dealership service to protect your warranty. Many owners are pressured into believing they must return to the dealership for every oil change and maintenance visit or risk losing coverage. But in many countries, including the United States, consumer protection laws prevent manufacturers from forcing customers to use dealership service centers exclusively. As long as maintenance is performed properly and documented correctly, independent mechanics can often service the vehicle without voiding the warranty. This is incredibly important because dealership labor rates can exceed $150 to $220 per hour in some areas. Independent Toyota specialists may charge dramatically less for identical work using the same OEM quality fluids and parts. Understanding warranty language can save owners thousands of dollars and prevent unnecessary fear-based spending. Smart Toyota owners keep every maintenance receipt, document fluid changes carefully, and learn the exact terms of their factory coverage instead of relying only on verbal explanations from dealership employees. Number 4. Free maintenance. When you buy a new Toyota, you are often told about complimentary maintenance packages, such as oil changes, inspections, and basic servicing included for a certain period. Sounds great, right? But here is what most dealers don't clarify. These services are limited, highly controlled, and strategically spaced. Typically, Toyota Care covers only basic oil changes and tire rotations for 2 years or 25,000 miles, until you realize modern engines may require more frequent attention depending on driving conditions. Studies show that over 55% of drivers fall into severe driving conditions such as short trips, traffic, or extreme weather, meaning they actually need more frequent maintenance than what's covered. That free service can end up delaying necessary maintenance, which may contribute to long-term engine wear. Dealers don't emphasize this because it makes the offer look less attractive, but smart owners follow real-world maintenance needs, not just the free schedule. Number 3. Car resale value. One painful reality dealers rarely discuss openly is how much value a new Toyota can lose immediately after purchase. Toyota vehicles generally hold value better than many competitors, but depreciation still happens the second the vehicle leaves the lot. Some new vehicles can lose 10 to 20% of their value within the first year alone, depending on the model and market conditions. That means a buyer financing with little or no down payment can quickly end up upside down on the loan, owing more than the car is worth. Dealers often focus heavily on monthly affordability while avoiding conversations about long-term equity. This becomes especially dangerous when buyers stretch loans to 72 or even 84 months to reduce payments. Long loan terms may feel comfortable monthly, but they dramatically increase interest costs and prolong negative equity risk. Smart buyers focus not just on the purchase price, but also on financing length, interest rates, and long-term ownership costs. Number 1. Diagnostic fees. One of the biggest hidden costs in dealership service is something called a diagnostic fee, and most owners don't fully understand how it works. When you bring your car in for an issue, even something as simple as a warning light or strange noise, the dealership will often charge a diagnostic fee that typically ranges from $100 to $200. This fee is charged before any actual repair work begins. In many cases, if the issue turns out to be something minor, you still pay the full diagnostic cost. What's even more surprising is that dealers often fail to mention that if the repair is covered under the 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, or the 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid warranty, that fee is legally required to be waived or absorbed by the manufacturer. Always confirm in writing that the diagnostic fee will be credited back to you if the failure is determined to be a covered manufacturing defect. At the end of the day, owning a Toyota is often one of the smartest decisions you can make, but the real advantage comes from knowing what others don't. These hidden truths separate an average owner from a smart one, because it's not just about buying the car, it's about understanding everything that comes with it. See you in the next video.